Think 2025 is just another year? What if I told you it's the year when flying cars lift off, AI writes hit songs, and real fish fall from the sky? From mind-bending math to Mars-grown plants, these 50 facts will change how you see the world. So buckle up, because what you're about to hear is 100% real one. Did you know 2025 is a square number? Because 45 multiplied by 45 gives you exactly 2025. 2. At 20 and 25, you get 45. And 45 squared is 2 times 225. Coincidence? Mind-blowing. 3. 2025 follows a tetrahedral number in math. These are 3D triangle-based numbers. Math just got cooler. 4. The world's population is crossing 8.1 billion in 2025. That's more people than ever before in human history. 5. In the Chinese zodiac, 2025 is the year of the snake. People born this year are said to be wise and mysterious. 6. Australia is wider than the moon. Its landmass stretches more than the moon's diameter. 7. Over 5.5 billion people will have internet by 2035. That's nearly 70% of the global population online. 8. 2 times 25 also equals 272 plus 362, both perfect squares, a rare mathematical identity. 9. NASA plans to send astronauts to the moon in 2025. Artemis III will mark the return of humans to the lunar surface. 10. AI-generated content is leading news headlines now. From writing articles to generating videos, it's everywhere. 11. Facebook dropped third-party fact-checking in 2025, a big shift in how online misinformation is handled. 12. China launched the world's largest solar farm this year. It powers millions of homes with clean energy. 13. Over 75% of countries now have 5G networks in 2025. Ultra-fast internet is becoming the global standard. 14. AI doctors are being tested in real hospitals. They diagnose and assist with treatments like humans. 15. Starlink now offers internet on every continent. Even remote villages now have access to the web. 16. Electric car sales beat petrol car sales in 2025, a historic milestone in the fight against climate change. 17. Plants were successfully grown on Mars in 2025, a huge leap for future space farming. 18. Zoom fatigue is now a real health condition. Too many video calls. It's now recognized by experts. 19. India and African nations are bidding to host the 2025 Olympics, a new era of global sports leadership. 20. Virtual reality schools are booming in 2025. Students can now attend a class from anywhere in 3D. 21. The US banned red dye number 3 in 2025. Linked to health risks, this common food dye is gone. 22. Human underwater colonies are in testing phase. People may one day live beneath the sea. 23. Self-driving robotic wheelchairs launched in 2025, giving disabled individuals more independence than ever. 24. Lebanon finally elected a president after 2 years, a major political shift for the country in 2025. 25. 87 billionaires earned wealth through Bitcoin this year. Crypto is no longer fringe, it's mainstream. 26. Smart shoes that track your health are everywhere now. They monitor steps, posture, and even detect illness. 27. Electric flying taxis passed real-world tests in 2025. Your dream of flying cars is becoming reality. 28. Crows can recognize human faces, proven in 2025. They remember kindness and revenge. 29. The rain of fish still happens every year in Honduras. Yes, real fish fall from the sky. Nature's mystery. 30. Your heart beats 35 million times per year. That's over 100,000 beats every single day. 31. Identical twins don't have identical fingerprints. Even with the same DNA, their prints are unique. 32. AI-written songs are topping the charts in 2025. Machines are now creating music we love. 33. Space tourism is now open to the public. Buy a ticket and orbit Earth. For real. 34. 30% of restaurants now serve artificial meat. No animals involved. Just science on your plate. 35. South Korea started drone delivery nationwide. from food to medicine, all drop from the sky. 36. Extreme heat waves are more frequent in 2025. Climate change is heating up the planet dangerously fast. 37. Smart cities are using facial recognition for safety. High-tech urban life is no longer sci-fi. 38. Gene editing therapy is now treating cancer, a major breakthrough in the fight against deadly diseases. 39. Biodegradable underwater internet cables were tested. They reduce ocean pollution while keeping you connected. 40. Plastic-eating bacteria are cleaning the environment. Scientists are using nature to fight pollution. 41. Self-driving trucks now travel internationally. They're changing how goods move around the world. 42. Millions attend concerts inside the metaverse. No venue needed, just a headset and Wi-Fi. 43. AI-powered pet translators are now trending, trying to understand what your dog really means. 44. Europe declared its first carbon-neutral city, a model for a sustainable and clean future. 45. Medical nanobots are detecting cancer cells in humans, tiny robots working inside your body to save lives.